this shit. So as you guys can see, I'm here in my closet about to organize it, but I'm about to show you guys a little surprise that I got. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys this box that I subscribed to, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. I haven't opened it yet, but it looks like this nice bag. I like the color. I already see the inside and I was like, wow. It was, this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm excited. I'm very excited to open it. And this is the pamphlet. I guess with everything that's on it. Refer a new friend or refer a friend. So this is the pamphlet. I'm not talking about this packaging is so cute. I think I got one of these already in one of my boxes. I think I got one of these in my Look Fantastic boxes. It's nothing crazy, but it's a golden eye patches. I'm interested in using these for sure. Next we got a Cap Cosmetic lip gloss. It's cruelty free and it's just a nice gloss. So this is how it looks like. I like the package. Yes. Next I got I'm not even sure. Cleansing Bond Pore Clarifying. Oh my god, this is nice. I like this and I'm gonna keep this in my bathroom for my next skincare routine. Then I have a hand balm. A hand balm with eucalyptus and tea treats. Espa. I don't know anything about this brand, but I give it a try. If anything, I'm not a good reporting girl here. Then we get an Ultra Repair Cream, another skin cream. Safe for sensitive skin. I will use this one for sure because I need myself. I'm gonna keep this in my bathroom for sure. In purse. Last but not least, we have this serum. I'm into serums lately, so for all type of skins. So I just show you guys what I had on my Glossybox, and I'm really happy about everything I got. So I hope you guys subscribe to this box. It's only $1 for 12 months. 12 months. You guys heard me. 12 freaking months. So don't forget about subscribing. I'm hoping and looking forward to them better products than the ones I had, but I'm really happy with everything I got so far. So Can't complain about that for $1. Hell nah. And these are like very, what I was gonna say, similar to the Look Fantastic box. These are very similar to them because they have kind of like they have stuff that the Look Fantastic ones have. Like, let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Pause and okay, you guys. So I'm back. So these I got these from Look Fantastic on one of my Look Fantastic subscription box, and I'm like, I already have something like this, like similar to this in this box. So these two are so the same, so doing anything different other than changing the color, I guess. I hope they both work. I'm gonna be trying them, and I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure if they have the same, you know, honors or whatever, but they kind of bring the same product to me, and I don't like that. I'd rather stay with one box and then subscribe to it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to even put it back together and show you guys. So I'd rather just going on with that. But yeah, that's how I organize my little closet. Stay tuned. Okay, so that was the box. It's Excel. Very nice and cute. If y'all want to subscribe, yes. And this is the only reason why I'm showing you guys, because I'm in my closet already, so might as well just show you guys that. But other than that, I'm gonna put this up here. Check me over, baby. Yeah. I'm here singing. It's driving me crazy, baby. Okay, so I'm back, and let's start. Let's start getting this mess clean. Cause yeah. Alright, so in this basket, I'm gonna be organizing all my bandanas and headbands, and I also like my mask. I'm gonna like buy something else, another container, just to put on my mask and just grab them as I go out of my house, because I used to hang them, but they look nasty like that, like they don't look classic. Some of them I will hang them if I have to when I'm like in a rush, but not all of them. So I need like a basket to keep my mask. But as in right now, I'm going to put both of them together and just throw all my headbands, accessories here, and my face mask. I wash them in the wash machine, but my tip is just get a like a Dollar Tree shampoo and wash them, hand wash them all the time. Just get them all together at once. I want it, so just wear this at night. Like right now, I'm gonna put it on. I need it. It's not even safe. Love it, cause it's like adjustable. You can adjust it to your hair side, and it works perfectly. Like, oh my god. It's the best thing ever to like. Kylie. Oh my god. What the fuck am I doing? I was doing. Okay. Never mind. Let's start over. Let me show you guys my masks. These are by Kendall and Kylie. Very cute. I saw them on Poshmark, but I got them at Ross. But these, you can't find them anymore. But I have some available. I have to hook up some. Just find me at Poshmark and I can kind of, you know. I love them. Babies. I like them. These are the only masks I'm willing to use. I don't buy masks. Like, I bought this because I was just selling them on Poshmark, and I decided why not get one for myself. But yeah, I know this is boring, just showing you guys all my head accessories, but why not? This is when you start, how I start. Like, you start by organizing your hair. So since I'm done organizing my head accessories, now I'm gonna go in with my sweaters, which I have a few sweaters from Fashion Nova and Pink, basically in Ross. Those are the stores that I shop at. So yeah, these I got it like a year ago, and I got it from Fashion Nova. It's so cute, I know, right? See, Fashion Nova. But I don't like the material, let me tell you guys. This is not like a clothing haul, but I'm going to make it a clothing haul. It's special. Like, why not make it a clothing haul? Like, everything, like, I don't know if I just didn't wash it the right way, but it's, if you can see that, it's not, it's looking rough. It's looking like it's been through bad and hard times. So I just put this to sleep. I just wear this when I'm like home cleaning, or I just want to do some quick errand into like. I bought this Dollar Tree, so it's like, why not organize socks, um, bed sheets, towels, anything, makeup, anything you can think of can fit in this basket. And looks so cute. Oh my God, looks so fancy. So yeah, I'm gonna use that to stock up on my sweater here. And this is a sweater I would like to fucking review. I would like to review like right now. Like, oh God, why? Why? This sweater is from Pink, y'all, and it's like so oversized that I cannot even like I don't even wear it. It's from Pink, Victoria's Secret, and I love how cozy it is. Like, because it's like, look at it, like you just can't beat that. And I heard they recycle the clothing that they make, so I'm very excited about them, because why not? Like, people should recycle more often. I'm getting more like into recycling later, and I'm loving it. Like, I have changed. Like, I'm changing for the better, and I want everybody to change as well. And what else I was going to say? I'm talking a lot here while I'm figuring it. And if you are doing it, then thank you for doing it. And that's I'm gonna drink some water and I'll be right back because I'm talking too much. So far, I have 2 containers now of clothing that I'm gonna like just put away and reorganize once I get all my hangers from the container store. So this is for jeans and leggings and sweatpants, like basically for anything that's under leggings. These are my pajamas, my sweatpants from Ross, my American Eagle sweatpants. Yeah, just kind of going through what I have with you guys. I kind of creative. Add two baskets to put everything in there. So that's what you do. You just buy baskets like these and you start collecting all your clothing after you wash them. Or maybe when they're not even washed, just organize them and then wash them or like or hang them or do something with them, because that's the only way you can kind of get through it. Everything else looks like it's full here and I have to go buy more basket. That's how my um, laundry basket end up looking like. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm going to put this, I'm going to hang this and do a little bit of cleaning and show you guys my progress on my living room clean, what I did today. So wait, this video is about to be over right now because I don't think I can do more than what I did today. I just cleaned the whole living room area. I have 5 puppies at home that I'm taking care of, and I'm just like kind of overwhelmed with that because I don't sleep trying to take care of them and nursing them, but that's exciting. I'm happy though, but it's just too much work. And here I show you. This is kind of it. It was a lot of work, y'all. Like, not too much, but I'm tired. Like, I just work too much, and anything that I do when I come home, it's work. I'm telling you, I should have seen this before. These are my 5 puppies, my 5 babies. I just had them. I'm so happy. My beautiful living room. My bar. This is my chrome. I'm a chrome girl. This is my chrome royal collection, where I keep all my chromes. So yeah, I know. I'm kind of upset there, but I like chrome. I think it's a nice, easy, smooth drink. So you never will go wrong with that drink. I don't know why this milk is here. Somebody put it here after I finish cleaning up, but this is how they do. They start putting stuff around everywhere and I can't even like get through it. Let's see that. What a day, you guys. So I'm taking away. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see more videos of me in my house and My lifestyle is just crazy sometimes, but it's gonna get better. Just think about it. Any day you think it's like you're not doing good, think and be like, tomorrow is gonna be a better day, a nice day, and just and don't let nobody bring you down. That's for sure. Don't let nobody bring you down, baby. Good night and God bless you all. Beyonce still winning Grammys.